Editing text in Word 2016. First, let's start learning objectives. Open a saved document. Insert new text into a document. Select text using a mouse or keyboard. Delete text using different methods. Copy and move text efficiently. Use the undo and redo commands. Microsoft Word is widely used because it allows user to create and edit documents with ease. In the previous class, you learned how to create, save, and work with the documents in Microsoft Word 2016. In this chapter, you will study how to edit a Word document. Editing means making changes to the text in the document. These changes can include inserting new text, deleting unwanted text, copying or moving text from one part of the document to another. Word 2016 provides several tools to help you edit your text efficiently. Let's study how to do this. Opening a saved document. To work on document you saved earlier, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the File tab. The Backstage view will open. Step 2. Click on the Open option. Step 3. Click on the Browse option. Step 4. The Open dialog box will appear. Step 5. Select the location where you saved the file. Select the file. Step 6. Click on the Open button. Inserting text. Inserting text means adding some text to an existing document. If you want to add new words or sentences to the document, follow these steps. Step 1. Position the cursor where you want to insert new text. The cursor looks like a blinking vertical line in Word 2016. Step 2. Start typing. The text you type will appear at the cursor's position, and any existing text will move to the right to make space. Selecting text. Before making any changes to the text, you must first select it. Selecting text allows you to highlight the part of the document you want to edit. There are two main ways to select text in Word 2016: using the mouse and using the keyboard. Using the mouse. Step 1. Move the cursor to the beginning of the text you want to select. Step 2. Hold down the left mouse and drag it across the text you want to highlight. Step 3. Once the text is selected, release the mouse button. The selected text will be highlighted. Using the keyboard. You can also use the keyboard to select text. Step 1. Place the cursor at the beginning of the text you want to select. Step 2. The following key combinations can help. To select one character to the left, combination key would be Shift plus left key. One character to the right, the combination keys would be Shift plus right key. One line up, the combination key is Shift plus upward key. One line down, the combination would be Shift plus downward key. To the end of the current line, the combination is Shift plus end key. To the beginning of the current line, the combination would be Shift plus home key. To the end of the current document, the combination is Shift plus Control plus end key. To the beginning of the document, the combination would be Shift plus Control plus home key. For the entire document, the combination would be Control plus A key. Once you have selected the text, you can edit it by copying, moving, or deleting it. Deleting text. There are several ways to delete text. Using the backspace key, you can delete the character to the left of the cursor by pressing the backspace key. Using the delete key, you can delete the character to the right of the cursor by pressing the delete key. Selecting and deleting. You can select the text you want to delete and press the delete key to remove it. Copying and moving text. In Microsoft Word, you often need to either copy or move text from one place to another. Copying text. Copy and paste. When you copy text, you create a duplicate of the selected text. This means the original text remains in its place and you can paste the copy somewhere else. To copy text, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the text you want to copy. Step 2. Press Ctrl plus C or click on the Copy button on the Home tab in the clipboard group. Step 3. Place the cursor where you want to paste the text. Step 4. Press Ctrl plus V or click on the Paste button on the Home tab in the clipboard group. Moving text, also known as cut and paste. Moving text removes it from one part of the document and places it in another. To move text, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the text you want to move. Step 2. Press Ctrl plus X or click on the Cut button on the Home tab in the clipboard group. Step 3. Place the cursor where you want to move the text. Step 4. Press Ctrl plus V or click on the Paste button on the Home tab in the clipboard group. Undo and redo commands. Sometimes we make mistakes while editing. Fortunately, Word has undo and redo commands to help. Undo. You can use it to reverse a mistake. Click on the undo button to reverse the last action. You can even click undo multiple times to go back several steps. Redo. The redo button is like the opposite of undo. It restores the undone actions. Now let's get into the chapter summary. Editing text means making changes to a document. You can insert new text using the cursor. Text must be selected before making any changes. You can delete text using the backspace or delete keys. Copying text creates a duplicate, while moving text relocates it. Undo reverse actions and redo restores undone actions. Thank you.